Spring is finally here, and that means it's time to start thinking about gardening. For many people, gardening is a favorite pastime, and for good reason. It's a great way to get outside and enjoy the beauty of nature. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting out, there's no better time to get your hands dirty and start planting. One of the great things about gardening is that it's something that anyone can do, no matter where you live. Whether you have a large backyard or just a small balcony, there are plenty of options for creating a beautiful garden space. From flowers to vegetables to herbs, there are so many different plants to choose from that you're sure to find something that you'll love. If you're just starting out, it's a good idea to do some research and learn about the different types of plants that grow well in your area. You can visit your local nursery or garden center to get advice from experts, or you can do some research online to find out more about the plants that you're interested in. You'll want to consider things like soil type, sunlight, and water requirements when choosing plants for your garden. Once you've decided on the plants that you want to grow, it's time to get to work. Depending on the size of your garden, you may need to do some preparation before you start planting. This might include removing weeds, tilling the soil, or adding compost or fertilizer to improve the quality of the soil. When it's time to start planting, be sure to follow the instructions for each plant carefully. Some plants will need to be started indoors and then transplanted outside, while others can be sown directly in the ground. Make sure to give each plant enough space to grow and plenty of water and sunlight to thrive. As your garden begins to grow, it's important to keep up with maintenance tasks like watering, weeding, and pruning. Regular care will help your plants stay healthy and produce a bountiful harvest. And don't forget to take some time to enjoy the beauty of your garden as it grows and changes throughout the season. In conclusion, spring is a wonderful time to start a garden, no matter your level of experience. With some careful planning and a little hard work, you can create a beautiful outdoor space that will bring you joy for months to come. So grab your gloves and get ready to get your hands dirty. It's gardening time.